Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve savings habits with Discover Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Discover Bank offers various tools to help improve your savings habits. First, open a savings account with Discover Bank. Visit the Discover Bank website and click on the Savings Account option. Fill out the online application with your personal information. Choose the type of savings account that suits your needs. Review the account features, such as interest rates and fees. Once approved, fund your account with an initial deposit. Next, set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Determine an amount you can comfortably save each month. Schedule these transfers to align with your payday. Consider using Discovery's Savings Calculator to set specific goals. Identify your short-term and long-term savings objectives. Create a budget to track your spending and savings. Review your budget regularly to adjust for changing expenses. Utilize the mobile app to monitor your savings progress. Set reminders to encourage consistent saving habits. Engage with financial education resources provided by Discover Bank. Explore tips on saving more and reaching your goals faster. Consider opening a high-yield savings account for better interest. Stay disciplined by resisting the urge to withdraw from your savings. Reward yourself for reaching savings milestones to stay motivated. Regularly reassess your savings goals as your financial situation changes. By following these steps, you can cultivate better savings habits with Discover Bank. Remember, consistency is key to successful saving. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.